Hey guys, today in this video we're gonna learn about how to create a presentation in Canva. So let's open our browser and open the Canva. For the first time you have to log in and sign up your account with your email. So when you get this interface you can go to presentation directly, or I'll open in another tab. So let's I open the talking presentations, and then you can see here the blank page is shown, and there are many templates in the first element design. You can select any of the template, then you can open it and apply all pages. Okay, so here the all pages are applied, and after applying the all pages you can start writing your presentation. So my first presentation would be on reading and paragraph skills. So yeah, here I will write presented by Jack. So I will align it right from the night. Okay, so on the next page okay, so see what this font is, and if this is get suitable for your next heading, then you can copy it, Control C, and then paste it here. Okay, so let's see what this color is. This and let's color this the same. Delete this and put this here, and this will be down. Here I'm just gonna talk about the reading, and I write the reading, and let's define what reading is. It's a comprehension skill to be communicated. Reading is a communication skill that is used for communication. In the next page here I'm gonna say language skills, because I want here the points of those, and if I see there is no the point sheets, yeah, here I got that. Okay, so I'll copy that this all and paste it there. Let's delete this, and let's delete them too, and give it a bigger font, 36, okay, 45, and let's change a little bit of, you can change the font from here. Select all and change the font of this wall, and see what are skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Okay, so let's delete this. I'm gonna put pillars. So here the list of the language skills I have mentioned here, that I have copied from another page from this. And now when last step is to be, let's animate them. For let's do this, and Okay, so for the reading, let's give a new animation. That would be good. This. So let's animate that. So here I have created the 3 pages, and all nets will be deleted. Created down pages. Okay, so after this, let's show how this presentation will be seen on the screen. Okay, first here, then next, reading the comprehension skill to be communicated, and next, language skills. They are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Okay, so at the last we'll end up the page. So hope all the concepts are clear. Okay, let's set good. Okay, so a little bit of another let's add another thing. Here I have a bunch of libraries projects that I have done previously, and there are many other materials of those. Let's add them to the our project. Replace background. So the background will be replaced through this. This seems a little bit ugly, and you can add whatever you would like to, suitable for your work. So let's leave this for now. And for downloading this presentation, go to share, download, and this will, you can select the format as a video, or and click the download, and it will start downloading after the creation of the video. And if you want it downloaded as a PowerPoint presentation for Microsoft Office, then you can go to more option and select the Microsoft PowerPoint option, and when this is selected, then you can download it from here, and it will be downloaded with the extension of PPT. Hope I have cleared all these basic concepts you can use in creating a presentation for your class works. See you in the next video.